G'day YouTube and welcome to the Colling Show. So it's a bit of a milestone event in our family. I'll let Chloe show you why.
I can learn to drive.
Anywhere you wanna go, let's go together. Anything you wanna be, let's be forever. Don't you worry about a thing. We were born to break away. Everything will fade, but love remains.
Alright, kind of put it more.
Dad.
Hey Harry, can you hold something while I find
What?
something? Yeah, can you hold that while I'm looking for something?
When did you get these?
Today.
This one's backwards.
Yeah, they're meant to be backward. So if Chloe's got them, what does that mean?
It means Chloe's creepy. It means that Chloe wants to drive.
Yeah, is she allowed to?
No,
Why not?
because she needs to keep learn. That's why these things exist.
Well, show him the other thing that you've got.
But why does Chloe? Why are these backwards?
Because they go backwards in the mirror, so they're the right way
That
around.
is my temporary learner's license on the paper.
We've just got home, and Linda's just got home from working a shift in Devonport. So we're going to find a creative little way to show her the good news.
I got here in an hour. She didn't. No way! Really? Oh my gosh, that is so cool! Ah! Have you told Grandma?
Yeah.
Have you told Nan?
Oh, not yet.
Do you want me to bring Nan? We'll
Yeah.
FaceTime Nan. Hello, Nan. Hello, Nan. Chloe wanted to show you something. Chloe wants to show you something.
Okay.
Show Nan.
So tomorrow will be the first driving lesson, but tonight Linda and I are heading off to my work dinner to have a very nice meal as a thank you for all my hard work this year, because I've worked pretty hard. Been here before. So we're going to the fancy restaurant tonight. We haven't been to that one before.
We have.
Oh, have we?
Yeah.
When? Oh yeah, we had lunch there once.
Been here a couple of times.
So that was good. Very nice food.
It was good.
Now we're heading home. Big day tomorrow.
Chloe's gonna learn how to drive. And I'm gonna go and make clay decorations, and I might film and I might not. But I might take some photos. If I do, Adam will put them in the end of the credits or something. I'm off this morning to do some Christmas decoration making out of clay at one of my favourite places that does paint and sip. So that's going to be awesome.
And as for me and Chloe, we're going to go drive some laps around the industrial estate.
that a good spot there?
Yep, that's good. Great. It does, yeah. All right, well, we're going to have our first lesson. So we will see you on the other side. And we're done. So how do you feel after your first lesson, Chloe?
Well, I don't know how you trusted me with that.
She did good. She improved a lot as we went. We just practiced some steering and some taking off and stopping. So,
And turning.
yes. One lesson down, lots more to go.
Done some Christmas shopping after Paint and Sip, and there's some presents in one of those bags for our high tier patrons. So if you're a high tier patron, Christmas is coming.
Just having another lesson. Nice, quiet drive in the country. Well, we've finished our driving lesson, but I've stopped somewhere that's kind of special to me. So let's go have a look. So my grandparents lived out this way. They had a property, we called it Up the Farm, although it was never actually a farm as such. And this here was their little country church. Oh, Echidna. G'day, Echidna. Hello there, mate. Oh, he's got a little house. He's got a little hole in the wall. So Pop helped to build this church, and Nana served in ministry here for most of her life. And this is their grave where they're buried together. These are their headstones. So Pop used to work on the railroad as a blacksmith, and after he retired they moved out here and they got their place in the country, their big property, and they just loved living out here. It's just so peaceful with the trees and the birds. We had a lot of holidays because we had a shack on their property and spent a lot of times staying there as a kid. I figure some native Tasmanian wildflowers are kind of fitting for this location.